vacation?
We just came from a photo shoot from a magazine.
I thought the photo shoot was next week.
They had pushed it up.
Then you have stuff today?
Yeah, but that's